In version 10.5 of Maestro, you now have the ability to manage custom DHCP properties right from the Maestro web UI. You can do this for Kia, for Microsoft, for ISC. We'll show it right here in Microsoft. It works for both DHCP v6 and DHCP v4. Let's go ahead and go in. Now we have this custom options tab. We can select which vendor class we want to choose and then go ahead and add a custom option. If you do try to add a custom option that's already been used, it won't let you. So we'll go ahead and add a new one, and we'll tell it that it needs an IP address, and we'll go ahead and click add. So now that that's been added, we'll go to edit options, and we can go to add options now, and we see our new 125 option for the TFTP server. And then we can go ahead and specify a server to put in there. One thing to note is that custom options for Microsoft, you can only remove them. However, we'll take a look at Kia and manage those options. And when we go to custom options here, we see that we have the ability to actually edit if we'd like. So one little difference between Microsoft and Kia there. That's all I have for this demo. Thanks for watching.